Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. Today we're going to be talking about feature replacement. So that's replacing a feature with another feature. Now first of all, on the modify ribbon you'll see this feature replacement. You can already do this right now, so I'm just going to review this. I put my mouse cursor over top of the icon here and you can see that it replaces the original measurement, which is pick 1, with a new measurement, pick 2. So if we go and do that right now, I'm just going to go in and measure a plane here. You can see the program I've got here. I've got a datum A plane. Okay, and that's this tiny little small plane in the corner, which I don't like and I'm going to replace. Then of course I've got B and C to line in a point to create this master coordinate system. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to use the method that you can do right now to replace this small plane with a larger plane. So the first thing we would do is we would go in and measure our new plane, and I'm just going to do a little bit bigger plane than what we've got here. So I'm going to create a plane measurement there, and then I would go back to the modify ribbon and I would say replace feature. So I'm going to click on that, and you select the original one. Notice that's PL075 in the programming browser. I'm going to replace that one with this one, and we'll hit enter, and you can see it's still plane 75 and it's still got datum A assigned to it, but you can see the original one is gone and we now have the new one that we've used to replace it. You can do that now, but what I'm going to show you is another way of doing it kind of automatically without having to go in and execute this feature replacement command. Now in order to do this, you're going to need a version of Checkmate of 1139 or newer. So let's go in and I'll show you how this works. I'm just going to go in and go to the measure ribbon. I'm going to say measure a plane, and I'm just going to go in and do a much bigger one here, spread out through the whole face. Okay, so I'm going to use those points that I've picked. Now normally to finish the command you'd hit enter and that would create the plane measurement, but what we're going to do is we're going to make our last pick the feature that we want to replace. So we want to replace this plane measurement. And if you look over on the left, you can see the picks. We've got our 5 picks for the new plane measurement, and then the last pick is the original plane that we want to replace. So if I go and hit enter, now you can see we've got the new plane. It's still called 75 and the datum label is still attached to it. So it's completely replaced it and the old measurement is gone. And that is simply by creating the picks that you want for the new feature and then just making sure that you pick the plane that you want to get rid of as the last pick. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.